Hey, good day everybody. This unboxing and review is on this 1000-watt OKPRO brand solar street light. Let's check it out. All right, here's the contents of the box. This thing's gonna be nice and bright. Check this out, do a little test right there. Yeah, that's sweet. Turn that off. You wanna go ahead and give it as much charge time as you can too in the sun before you install it or before you turn it on. So I just wanted to show you that for test purposes, but it comes with a remote. And it comes with some spare parts too, a wrench that works for all the fasteners in here. Now this is the one we're gonna use right here. Check this out. So this is nice. This thing just comes right out like that. You line it up till you get the hole there. And then this is the screw that's gonna fit down there. I'm gonna use a washer. I'm gonna use a washer on this end, and then on the other end, I'm gonna go ahead and use the lock washer and the nut. Now for me, I'm going to be mounting this to a pole, so I'm not going to use this. But you could, if you have your standard 4x4, you can kind of sandwich it like that and screw it in. And there's fasteners that come that will pull these two crates together. For me, I'm just going to fasten them right into the wood pole that I've got. So to install this thing, to set it up, is real easy. Just line up the holes right there. And we'll shove this thing with the washer down through it. Grab this from the back side of it. I'll just put that on there. What's nice about this, you just stick that right down in there, and that'll line up. And you can just do your fastening from this side. See that green light? That means it's charging. All right, there's my installation of this. 4 simple screws right there, right in the base. And I'm gonna go stand this up so I can show you how it works and the different functions of it, different features. All right, there it is. Now I'm just waiting for it to get dark. You can see the green light's on, it's still charging. I'll show you the different functions on this and settings. It's actually snowing out here right now. I imagine the snow's gonna collect on the top of that for the most part, and it's gonna turn on. Oh, this thing is nice and bright. Look at that puppy. Can't even really stare straight at it, it's so bright. And the remote control here takes 2 AAA batteries. Hey, by the way, this, if you activate your warranty, you can receive you'll receive an email from the OKPRO store, and you can get a vacuum cleaner, a $50 gift card, or a toolkit. Just by activating that wall. So if you just push on here, it's going to be fixed on 100% brightness, and it can be adjusted by the remote control as well, right here. So you can turn it on, then you can switch your brightness from, whatever percentage you want. To turn it off, just click off, and it won't come on automatically the next day. You'll need to turn the light on, turn it on again with the remote control. Now you've got motion sensor mode. So if you go into motion sensor mode, it'll go 100% brightness when people are near, and then it'll go at a reduced percentage when people are far away. 30% brightness is what it is. And here's you can go 25, 50, 75 for brightness. And then of course, you can adjust the timer on it too. If you only want it on for a couple hours, just do 2 hours, 3, 6, 5, or 8. After 2 hours of fixed 100% brightness, it will turn into motion sensor mode. Now if you charge this baby during the day, which shouldn't be a problem, 6 to 8 hours, it'll work 20 to 24 hours at night. All right, there it is at 100% brightness. Now you can see you can just turn it off with the remote. Turn it off with the remote, and I'll turn it back on. There we go. And again, you can just set all your timers on there. I like to leave it on all night. But you can see here's 25% brightness. You can kind of see it on the ground there. And then here's 50, bumps it up a little bit, 75. There we are at 100.